Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy meme coins on Robinhood chain. So first of all, you can use the link that is given in the description. This way you will be landed here on the website of axiom.trade. Now over here, when you sign up on the discover page, you are going to see all of the trending meme coins. You can also select the option of desk screener in order to see the meme coins. Now over here, if you are seeing Solana or any other coins, you need to make sure that hood is selected in order to see all of the meme coins on the Robinhood chain only. Now before making any of the purchases, you need to buy some cryptos. So select the option of deposit, select the option of buy, select the option of Robinhood, and the balance should be in Ethereum. Now over here you can enter the amount of Ethereum that you want to purchase, then select the option of buy and you can make the payments. Now once you have some Ethereum available inside your account, you need to simply select the option of trending or the DEX screener, and then you can take a look at the meme coin that is basically enticing you. So over here you are going to see the market cap, the liquidity, the volume, transaction of that particular token. Now before moving ahead, make sure that you do your own diligence before taking any of the trades or buying selling any of the meme coins. Trading involves risk, and this video is for entertainment and education purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor here. So once you have selected your meme coin, once its chart is opened in front of you, you can apply your own skills on it. And then when you are basically when you have decided that you want to purchase this coin, simply select the option of buy, enter the amount over here, and then place this buy order. So this way you will be able to purchase the meme coins on Robinhood chain. Axiom is the platform that I recommend you the most. So if you are interested, you can use the link that is given in the description in order to save 10% on the gas fees. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.